Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, I greet you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. For those of you are wondering, for those of you are talking on all sorts of nonsense, that gentle the Yahoo is gone. I can never die because I don't believe that someone that have died will raise up again and die again. My life is not in the hands of these zoological people. My life is now in the hands of Chukwu Kikabiama, the creator of the whole universe, the beginning and the end, the author and the finisher of our faith. So I greeted you all the whole lovers of freedom all over the world, all my fans, I greeted you. Even my enemies, people that are telling themselves that I am the enemies of them. I am not an enemy to anybody. I am only a freedom fighter, and I am only a broadcaster. I'm only telling the world what is going on in Southeast, be my own land. I never go to North for once. I never go to Yoruba land for once and ask them to pack out from their land. So for those of you that are fighting against me, looking a way to assassinate me, fighting a way to kill me, that I am your trouble, I am not your problems. You know where your problem is coming from. I have said this thing before and I am still repeating it today. Being the 3rd of May, 2025, I am alive today to tell the people the truth, and I must keep on telling the truth. My life is not in the hand of Hope Uzodimma, and my life can never be in the hands of Hope Uzodimma. Hope Uzodimma, look at me. Your agent and you cannot do anything to me. You are a mafians on your own way of assassination. You are a mafians. Assassinating anybody because you have collected money from Fulani jihadis. But I want to let you know this. You see all those money that you collected from Fulani jihadis, and you are now using the individual to fight against Gentle the Yahoo, and all those ones that you people planted, you and the Peter Mba, Enugu governor, and the Soludo, Anambra governor. All those people that you people have been using to assassinate Gentle. I must tell you people this. You see, in Igbo land, whatsoever you sow, that is what you must reap. Yes, I must tell you this. I must tell you this. I have been saying this all time without number. The Hope Uzodimma, you are the one that sold Nnamdi Kanu because you are just fighting for power. You are not even after the people that you are ruling. You are not even protecting the people that you are ruling. Now look at what Fulanis are doing. They have conquered the north. And now they have planned a way to come and differentiate the Igbos from the country. But let me tell you one thing. Hence, I am alive today. You killed my senior brother with your agencies that you are using in my own village. You destroyed the life of my senior brother. Nkwachiku Okorienteze. Promise. Okorienteze. You killed him for nothing. You took away my own wife and my children. You kidnapped them with your agents in my own village. Because of I am only fighting for the freedom of our people. I want the world to know this. You kidnapped my family, my wife, my twins, my other siblings. About 14 of them. Hope Uzodimma, you kidnapped my family from Aba. You brought them down to Owerri. From Obrinze to GSS. You took my wife away from me. I am so much happy. It's a freedom. Freedom must take things from whosoever that is fighting for the freedom. Freedom have taken the life of my brother, my elder brother. Freedom have taken the life of my own mother. Hope you got the mind to kill my own mother. Hope, I only pity for you. And I only pity for those agencies that you are using in my own mother's land. That you are using in my own village. Hope there is no problem. But I want the world to know this. That hope is full of assassination. Look at how you planned to kill Ikenguruago through us, but we refused. We said no. For those of you that are asking, how do we know hope? Hope was connected to us through this idiotic human being that calls himself Sir White from Mbano. That called himself Sir White from Mbano through Tony Chuku. That was how Hope Uzodimma connected to us. And we denied all the requests that he made for we to kill our own people, for we to become against our own people, so that his governor will be governed well. We said no to him. That is not what we are out for. We are out to fight for our freedom, freedom of Biafra, freedom of our nation, freedom of our own people. So I want to make this clear to our own people, that hope need to integrate